Today I'm going to teach you about chord spelling. What is chord spelling? It's literally the notes in the chord. So for instance, the chord spelling for an A major chord is A, C sharp, and E. 1, 3, 5. People use 1, 3, 5 or they use the notes. Either way, they point to the same thing. How am I going to do this? Well, I'm going to invite you in to listen to some chords with me. These are going to be triads. These are going to be major, minor, augmented, and diminished triads. And I'm going to just illustrate the influence that musical structures have on human emotions. So the next time you're watching a TikTok video that has amazing, like, dramatic music, just pay attention to how much weight and how much depth the music actually gives the visual. So we're going to start off with an A major, which is A, C sharp, E, or 1, 3, 5. Very happy sounding chord. This is going to sound like home. I'm going to switch to an A minor, which is A, C, E, so 1, flat 3, 5. Immediately, just so much sadder, so much more, so much darker. Now I'm going to switch to an A augmented, which is 1 C sharp, E sharp, or F, however you want to say it, I don't really care, which is 1, 3, sharp 5. Suddenly the aliens are landing for me. But then we gotta come back down to earth. A major again. Whew. Now I'm gonna take you to A diminished, which is 1, flat 3, flat 5, or A, C, E flat. No bueno. Too much tension. You know what we need? We need some A major. There we go. That's what all music is about. Tension and release. Tension and release. That's it. I hope that showed you just how you can use chords to sort of influence emotion, mood, just the vibe of it. And I hope you take something away from that. If you enjoyed this lesson, drop me a line, drop me a comment or a question, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.